Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of November 2023 for all the Taurus Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of November for all the Taurus Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Sun controls your fourth house, and right now Sun is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Libra. Fourth house deal with your home, fourth house deal with your mother, fourth house deal with your mother's health, fourth house deal with your mother's relationship with you, seen from fourth house. Your property matters, your home, physical home related matter is also seen from fourth house, your vehicles, your health related matters. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of November for all the Taurus and but Venus is just moved from your fourth house to your fifth house after 3rd November 2023. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Taurus and people, Moon control